It doesn't take much time to run across someone pitching a get-rich-quick scam online. We've all seen them, people who promise to show you how to make thousands at home in your spare time. Guess what? Like any get-rich-quick scam, it's only going to make money for the person running the scam. That doesn't mean there aren't reputable ways to earn a little bit of money online during your spare time. There are many easy and legal ways to earn a few bucks on the internet. Here are 8 to try. Fiverr is a website where you can make $5 doing almost anything. On the site, people upload jobs that they're willing to do for $5, like writing Facebook posts for companies. Many of the jobs require creative skills such as graphic design or audio editing, but tasks are things you can easily do on the couch in your spare time. You can click the first link on the description to join Fiverr. 2. Swagbucks. One of the most popular sites, and rightfully so, Swagbucks offers traditional surveys as well as a range of additional ways to make cash. Filling out surveys for money will reward you with points called Swagbucks, which can be cashed out through PayPal, or redeemed as gift cards for shops including Amazon.com. As a sweetener, they'll even give you 5 OSB just for signing up. The site will even allow you to monetize your internet searches, if you swap from Google or Safari to their own search engine. The Swagbucks search engine, which is actually running Yahoo, will pay you Swagbucks every time you search. For games, there are options like Scrabble and Wheel of Fortune, which won't pay you much, but could be worth a go if you fancied playing a game anyway. Swagbucks TV allows you to watch advertising videos on a range of topics, including news, fitness and entertainment. There's a snag, your earnings are capped at 150 Swagbucks, but it is worth a look if you're prone to wasting time watching viral clips. You can click the second link on the description box below to join Swagbucks. 3. Timebusks. Timebusks is a reward site that pay you real cash and free Bitcoin for performing different tasks online, taking surveys, posting on social media, watching videos, clicking ads, installing free apps, surfing the webs, playing games, and more. What's particularly great about Timebusks is that it pays cash and Bitcoin, not points, not gift cards. You get money straight into your account. You can click the link on the description box below to join Timebusks. 4. Adfly. Adfly is a URL link shortener that is also designed to allow you to make money online by sharing with you the advertising revenue the company earns. You would just need to copy their shortened link and post it on other websites or in social media, and you will earn some money every time someone clicks and view the shortened links. The shortened links redirect people who click on an advertisement. They would need to wait for a few seconds before they're allowed to skip the advertisement and go to the website they're supposed to go. The shortened link basically contains ads from advertisers and the people who click the link get to see the advertisements. It is free to use Adfly, as people would just need to sign up, become a member and they can already start earning by shortening their links and sharing it. You can click the link on the description box below to join Adfly. 5. Skillshare. Skillshare is a website where you can teach an online class and get paid for it. You record series of videos on a topic that you know about. Popular subjects include crafts, film, fashion, and cooking, and then participate on the Skillshare forums related to your class. In exchange, you receive a cut of the money from the people who take your class. No teaching degree is necessary to get started, and the site says teachers can earn an average of $3,500 a year. Six. Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is run by Amazon. Anyone can sign up and complete simple tasks, like choosing which of 2 pictures depicts a bridge, to earn a few cents per task. With some practice, you can earn a few dollars an hour while just sitting on your couch watching television. And with enough focus, you can earn an amount roughly equal to minimum wage. 7. Elance. Elance is the internet's biggest marketplace for legitimate freelance work. It provides a simple interface that allows you to search for jobs in any kind of niche. From writing and translation, to web design and programming. Basically, people post jobs they want doing on the website, and you submit a proposal for it. It's that simple. Regardless of how much money you want to make, the possibilities are endless. There are freelancers on Subscribed making $1,000 to $100,000 a year. 8. Opinion Outpost. You know what they say about opinions, right? They're like armpits, and other less savory body parts, as in, everybody's got 'em. The good news is, Opinion Outpost will actually pay you for voicing your opinion, answering important questions, and taking their surveys. That's right, whoever said your opinion didn't matter was dead wrong. All you have to do to get started is sign up with an email account or social media account. Once you do, you'll be selected for surveys you can complete in exchange for cash or gift cards to retailers like iTunes or Amazon. Plus, you can also earn entries into occasional cash drawings for as much as $10,000. Bonus Smart Panel. Earning nominal amounts of cash is easy with Smart Panel. Once you complete a 3-minute questionnaire to see if you qualify, you can get paid for everything from living and breathing to using your phone or computer like you always have. For starters, you'll get $5 just for meeting their qualifications. After that, you'll get another $5 per month just for keeping the app installed. Beyond those initial payments, you'll earn small amounts of cash just for using your phone or computer as you always have, and letting Smart Panel analyze your search results. According to Smart Panel, you can earn up to $110 in 12 months and up to $230 in 24 months, for doing almost nothing. This is where the majority of people fail. They don't have patience and give up soon. Also, some others think that they will earn very small amount, so what's the use? But the truth is, even a millionaire starts from making sense. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again, feel free to share to your friends. Let's go together and earn more extra income. If you have questions, comment them below and I will answer them personally.